I'm Steve Robinson. I'm the president of Pitt Meadows Plumbing here in beautiful Maple Ridge, British Columbia, Canada. We purchased Stratus 7 years probably. It has been something that we've put a lot of time and energy into. Stratus system is the main software system we're using for controlling materials coming in. All of the materials are ordered from our upper office. They're flowed through here, through Stratus, and they are all purchased through Stratus, and we understand, where those products are through Stratus. So everybody in the system, in other words, it's more than just the manufacturing managers next door, and it's more than the people in the shop, and it's more than the people on job sites. It's everybody knows what to expect and when to expect it. And that is a key part of optimizing with a singular system where your team on job sites have confidence that what's being made here actually will be what they need down the road. A good indicator of that is to look at some of these bundles. Every one of these bundles is a project, and it's a project within a project. And it's stickered, labeled, ID'd. And if you look here, you'll see multiple different colors of wrapping. The different colors of wrapping represent different jobs. It has allowed a level of trust to develop between sites and the shop. The sites need to have confidence that what they need and when they need it will be available to them. And so the shop, besides just using Stratus, it uses a number of processes to guarantee shipment on the day they ask. We've actually worked with our sites to let our sites understand that the model needs to be mainly driven by them. It's not driven by the modelers here. It's driven by what the site itself is expecting. And when you have that level of collaboration start to develop, then you start seeing people become very, very excited about what they can do without having to drill into every minutia. If you are intending to scale at any point, and when I say that, and I'm not talking about 10x or 100x, I'm talking about just to get better in your marketplace. If you're not engaged in a manufacturing software and hiring people that can massage it and learn the ins and outs, be committed to drilling into it, then I just don't believe that you'll ever be successful, to be perfectly honest. Getting a computer system to run a process just gives you so much higher accuracy than you will ever get with a bunch of people using tape measures. And when you're doing that, the amount of failure just goes down tremendously. And that's the main reason why we do it. When you run with automated machineries off of a file with a system like Stratus that helps you manage, the details are mind-boggling. We continue Stratus because we continue to find it successful. With a younger generation of tradesmen, there are certain tools you can use to gamify installation. It becomes a game. And I believe when you emphasize that you want every chain to be digital, when you emphasize that you want people to be trained, cutting edge, the big thing that happens is it really incentivizes and enthuses a whole new group of people.